Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to try on this braided frontal wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And then also, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. So as you can see, this is the wig before I did anything to it, and there's a white part between the frontal and the cap. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover that part by sewing a braid on that line. And when you do that, you're just going to to cover the white part and make it look natural. So sometimes when a crochet can't go through that part, if you make wigs, you understand me. Sometimes when you want to crochet the hair between the frontal and the cap, sometimes the crochet can't go through. So this is just a hack that I always do for my clients or when I make a wig. This is how it looks inside. As you can see, it's a 13 by 6 frontal, and then I've sewn combs just to make it more secure. And then also it has an elastic band. I don't know why I didn't show you that part, but it has an elastic band also to make it secure. So for my wigs, I rarely cut the lace when the wig is on my head. I can't do that. I have never done that. I see people doing that, but personally I just have to remove the wig before, as in I have to cut the lace before I wear the wig. I'm spraying some water, and then you can apply powder or foundation just to make the wig blend well with your complexion. So guys, if you really don't love frontals, if you want a wig that has a frontal, you really can't escape this part, because I know some of my clients tell me they can't wear a frontal. They want a frontal wig, but they don't want to this process of cutting the lace, applying the foundation. If you want a frontal wig, you must do this. And then right now I'm just cutting the lace, and then as you've seen, I've applied the foundation and it blends well with my complexion. So if you order from my website and you want me to cut the lace for you, just let me know, because if you don't tell me, I might send the wig without cutting the lace. So if you want me to do all these things for you, cut the lace, apply the foundation, just let me know. Just leave me a note on my website, or if you order from my WhatsApp, just tell me you want me to cut the lace for you. Right now I'm inserting the combs in my hair. So also, if you don't love combs, you can actually wear this wig without combs, because I have had like 2-3 clients, they told me they removed the combs because they were just not okay with the combs. And even my sister, my elder sister, she can't wear her wigs with combs. She just prefers her wigs without comb. Not even the braided one, even this other one, the weave ones, she just wears them without combs. So if you're okay with that, then that is fine. You can just remove the combs. And then the next process I'm going to do is to cut the baby hair to my preferred length. So I know most of you have been asking me to try on wigs that have baby hair, and I've recently tried to make some of them. I have like a couple of wigs with baby hair. I'm applying got-to-be glue just to make it also more secure on my head, and also to make it look more natural. I'm applying gel on the baby hair. So guys, I haven't, like, this hair is not like right on my hairline. I've put it like 1 or 2 centimeters from my hairline, and this is how it looks. So just comment down below, guys, if you feel like this wig looks natural. And then also, if you see this some extra lace on the side, you can just cut them. So guys, also, like, it might not be this wig or any other wig or any other of my wigs, because I know there are some wigs that I use a frontal lace cap, and when I cut the lace, the white lace might show. So you just apply foundation to make it look natural. Yeah. So this is how it looks, guys. Again, just comment down below if you love it, if you love this style. And actually, this is how I wore this dress and this wig, and guys, I got so many compliments, and most of the people didn't know it was a wig, and I really just love this wig. I really love this wig. I love this style. I'm going to try put it in different styles. So guys, again, there are 2 different types of this wig, actually 3. Yeah, the one that has a full lace, the one that has a frontal, and the one that I just used a frontal cap, but just sewed the braids on the cap. So this one I've used a frontal, And then of course the prices are different. The one that has a frontal, the one that has a full lace, the one that I've just sewn the braids on the cap, the prices are different, because I know some people, they have sent me a photo that has a full lace, and then they want me to sell the wigs to them at a price of the one that doesn't have a full lace. Guys, just know that they're different. The cost is just like different. And then also another thing that I've also noticed is some people, they go to random websites, and then they find wigs that have frontals, they have full lace, and maybe that person is selling it at $39, $49. There's no way a full lace can be $39. Just know, if you get that wig and it's $39, they might be scammers, or I don't know, maybe I don't know, but just know it's so rare to find like a full lace braided wig for $50, $39. Just know they might be scammers. And then also there are some websites that are using my photos. Also be aware of that. Just don't be scammed. I'll leave my contact details in the description box down below, and just contact me and I'll send them to you. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos and buying my wigs. Like, I really appreciate you guys. And then I'll be having a sale before the end of this month, so also make sure you watch my videos so that you don't miss the sale. And then also another thing, you can apply a pencil if you feel like it doesn't look natural, or if it doesn't blend well with your complexion. Just make sure you apply some eye pencil on the hairline, just to make it blend well with your complexion. So guys, that was it for today. Just comment down below if you love this wig, if you love this style. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.